Pharmaceutical technology road mapping is not as direct as it once was. Traditional technology road mapping practices fall short of today's needs. Mancef has a better solution.
You are right. We have gone from a traditional single technology-based product to a multiple technology-based paradigm. Differing regions incentivize us to develop and produce. When we were a chemical-based industry learning, translation of that learning into a firm-based strategy was direct. Now it seems the common industrial learning portion is gone.
You are correct. If the industry continues to use first or second generation road mapping techniques. But the industry players are collaborating through consortia, open innovation, and other strategic partnership activities. This creates cross-firm or industrial learning. This is what advances the industry down a technology road mapping path.
Yes, I see that, but the industry is changing in other ways with a myriad of drivers and bounds. How can learning take place?
The nature of the entire industry must be represented in the road mapping technique if it is to be successful. Here we provide the drivers in the top level in the consortia in the second level down, or the third level from the bottom. The third level from the top, or the second tier, is the development over time of different industry subcomponents. The first or bottom tier is the 5 technology bases that comprise the pharmaceutical solution set, and they will mature over time.
I see. You use some elements of traditional roadmaps, replacing dominant products with industry consortiums. What do you use instead of technology curves like by Moore's Law?
The pharmaceutical industry cannot use first or second generation technology road mapping. Why? The industry lacks a standard manufacturing process. It does not have universally accepted critical dimensions or unit cells. And the industry is based on multiple technologies rather than one technology to generate its current 21st century products.
That sounds interesting, but can you show me what it looks like? This is very usable, but as we previously discussed, how can I use this tool to help me choose which regional consortia to work with?
A portion of the Mancef pharmaceutical landscape answers just that question. We take a look at where you should develop different types of technologies. In particular, we look at nanotechnology in the pharmaceutical landscape. Many say to simply follow the incentives or the money, but our pharmaceutical landscaping committee did more. Here we show the results from the top investing nations in nanotechnologies. We show the outputs from a variety of nations in terms of scientific and technological publication, in terms of patent development, and most of all, in terms of product generation. We do this both in raw dollars invested and in purchasing power parity. But we don't stop there. This is only the beginning. We went further. We provide a technique that can help you predict the outcomes per dollar invested in terms of publication, patents, and products in any country in which you choose to invest the future of your own company.
That's great. Can you tell me how to develop a technology readiness level curve, and just what are the drivers and bounds in the industry?
Yes, we can, but that's all in the pharmaceutical landscape, and we ask you to buy it here to receive that knowledge. We know the pharmaceutical landscape is insightful for any firm seeking to derive competitive advantage in the pharmaceutical industry. You will benefit from the more than 50 strong Mancef members that have dedicated their effort over the last 4 years to provide this pharmaceutical landscape to you.